How to verify phone number on Discord. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you how to verify your phone number on Discord. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video with this video. So first of all, open a web browser on your device. If you are on your mobile device, you need to open your Discord. So let's tap or click on the search icon at top of the screen and search for discord.com. Press enter on the keyboard and you will land on this official interface of Discord. Click open Discord button at top right corner and log in and sign in to your particular account on Discord. Go to user settings icon at bottom left corner of the screen. Since I already have verified my phone number, so there is no any verified button here. But if your number has not been yet verified, click on edit button. And here you need to enter your country's code or phone code. After that, you need to enter your phone number and click the send button. And then you will receive a text message with a verification code where you have to enter the verification code on the section. After that, once you match the verification code, your phone number will be successfully verified. So that's it. That's how we verify phone number on Discord. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.